Okay, so guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the different plugins in After Effects from Video Copilot. So first, we're going to be starting out with the heat distortion. The heat distortion is like the mirage that you actually see that comes out from fire. So what I'm going to do, let me show you what it does. So I already have a clip here that's like a fire. So I'm going to drag this down here to create a composition. So if I should play this now at low res, you can see it's a fire. But if you can notice this fire has no mirage going on. So the next thing I'm going to do is come over, right click, and then I'm going to add an adjustment layer. So come over to effects and down to video copilot, and I'm going to be selecting heat distortion. I can also come to this effect and then search for it, but I'm not going to be doing that. You just have to use the lock process. So now you can notice what just happened, like the fire just actually changed. Let me take this up. Let me increase the resolution a bit so you can see. If I should turn up the layer and I look at this, you can see everything is normal. You can see like there's a watery form around the whole thing. So as you can see now, if I should play this now, this is how it looks like now. If I should increase this stuff now, the amount, you can see everything is almost turning into water. Yeah, you can see it. So let me take it back to normal as it was. So if I want to get that heat amount, I can just reduce this a bit. I'm gonna take this up a bit, reduce this down, and then increase this heat amount. I'll take this down, then increase this to get a little bit of that flame. And there you go, you have the mirage effect from our fire. You can see how it's working. I can just turn this off, and then it's back to normal. So that's what the heat distortion does. So let's go over to the next one. So this next one is called Optical Flare. What it does is just like a light that shines, like you've seen in all my other videos. I've used it a lot. Like, let me show you what it does. In order to get an optical flare, come over, right click, new, and then solid. This one you don't need. I don't think you need an adjustment layer to add in the optical flare. So I'm just going to leave it as a black. Yeah, and then I can also come here to do that, but I'm going to be using it from here, effects, and then video copilot, and then optical flare. So as you can see, it's shining here. So the optical flare is just basically a light that's based on 3D. The light is based on 3D. Like I've used it, that it's been used. It has different presets though. You can also change the colors from whatever you like, from different range of colors. You can also change in the light preset if you come over to the options tab where you see different presets. As you can see, it has different presets. It's just the same. It has different presets. I can come over here, clear out this whole thing. Come over to, you can see some of the presets here. You can also add, customize, change, and also animate and do different stuff with it. Yeah, it does a lot of stuff. Okay, so that's for the optical flare. Yeah, as we go on, we're going to be talking more about the optical flare and what it does in different sets of video. Yeah, so let's go on to the next one. The next one here is Saber, the Saber plugin. If I go over to down to so the next one we're going to be talking about is Saber. So we go over to effects. Also, make sure you select your solid, your black solid, effects, video copilot, and then Saber. So you can see the Saber has a lot of variety. Okay, this has been used in different sets of video, like videos like Star Wars. It can be used to do a lot of stuff. I also use it in most of my videos to make it look good. It can be added to max part. Let's say I want to add it to a max part, I can just select this layer and then add the max part here. Let me say I draw something like this. can just come back, customize call, and then change this to max layer max, sorry, and then you see it has been added to the max part. And if I animate this thing that it follows this, the saber can also be added to text layer. So let me show you guys. So let's see that, and then change the layer max to text, and then text, and then select the one, and here you go. You have the text is being added there. As you can see, the saber has been added to the text, and it's all looking good. So guys, the next one is element 3D. Element 3D is actually a 3D plugin that lets you do a lot of stuff like animate 3D object text into After Effects. It's just like a separate wall on its own. Lets you add 3D objects to your scene. Also gives you a variety of controls of the text, animate them individually, can do a lot of stuff. Also comes with some 3D packs and plugins, 3D packs. Some nice looking environments, and a lot of stuff. It does the Element 3D does a lot of stuff. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the Element 3D. And the next one we have here is the VC Color Vibrance. Literally, the VC Color Vibrance helps you to change the color of stuff. Like let's say I bring in an asset as literally a white color. Let's say I bring in this shockwave asset now, and then I drop it to the composition. Now this is the color. Let me take it back to the part. Okay, you can see if I should change this to add now, so you can see through it. You can see this is a white color asset. It's the shockwave. This is a white color asset now. So if I should add in now let's say I select the VC Color Vibrance. Now this is layer, then I go over to Effects, Video Copilot, and then VC Color Vibrance. You can see now it's literally changed into red. I can come here and change the color into any one I want. Pink, you can see red, and different colors. So the VC Color Vibrance is mainly used to change the colors of layers, overlay. Okay, that's what the VC Color Vibrance is used for. So guys, that's it for this one. So guys, that's it for the that's just a brief intro for all the plugins that we will be using in the masterclass. So guys, just take a seat back and then relax as we head on to the other side of the tutorial.